which one of these dogs is aroused? So if you were to say, okay, I think the dog on the right, they look very aroused, the teeth are showing. But the answer is that all of these dogs are aroused. And that's because arousal doesn't mean that we're thinking of those really big, intense moments and the dog's having a tough time. It's just a state of readiness. The times that I see, the complaints come in from clients, or is when it's redirected aggression. So what is that? That is when the dog, and that's where frustration comes in. So think about your two dogs fence fighting, and there's something on the other side of the fence, and they cannot get to that thing on the other side of the fence. So the frustration builds, and often they have to displace that frustration. So think about the higher state of arousal, frustration thwarting that potential behavior. And so they have to redirect it. So what about this dog? Would we say this dog is in a higher state of arousal? Now, it's an interesting video, right? Because we've looked at dogs moving a lot, rapid movement, intense movement. But if we were to break this down and describe it, what could we say? Ears forward, tense musculature, staring without blinking. So the number one thing I do with my clients when they have a dog that gets into these high states of arousal, especially if it's outside in certain environments, is teach them how their movements, their own body language, and their voice impacts the dog's movements. So if you want to get a dog to move more and get into higher states of arousal, what do? We like puppies, right? We go puppy, 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 and we run in the other direction. We clap our hands, we make a lot of noise. Then the dog's more likely to come towards us.